NBC26 Storm Shield Forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
So the morning showers and thunderstorms did actually do a little bit of a damper on those temperatures today. Yesterday we were in the upper 80s and some of us lower 90s. Today we're still holding on into the mid and upper 70s, but it is still quite muggy outside. We've got those dew points in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Berlin right now is 70-degree dew point, very saturated air mass, and that has really helped those showers and storms as they rolled through the area this morning, causing lots of thunder and lightning over parts of the southern Fox Valley. And most of that activity has continued to move down south, parts of Illinois and Indiana dealing with that first round. And then we've got the second round of thunderstorms that have been staying off towards the west. A little bit of light rain right now in Watoma, parts of Marquette, Green Lake counties. But it does look like after this comes to an end, we will be seeing a little bit of a dry period before another chance of thunderstorms coming into the area for tomorrow. Here's what the rainfall estimates between about a trace near and even exceeding 1.5 to 2 inches of rain off towards the west. With these rounds of thunderstorms one after another, it's going to be piling up some of those totals. The risk of severe weather should be staying down to the southwest of us for the remainder of the evening hours. But then as we get into tomorrow, we have once again a marginal risk of severe weather and a greater chance of a slight risk of severe weather just to our west. But it does look like sometime overnight tonight, there will be a line of thunderstorms developing likely in the central or western part of the Badger State. And you see it right here at 1 a.m. And watch how they slowly start to propagate eastward as we wake up and head to work for tomorrow morning. And that's the first round that's going to roll through the area. That breaks down by about 1:30 after lunchtime or so. We get a break in the action, but then later tomorrow afternoon, we could have another round of thunderstorms to roll through the area. So these are both the rounds that we have to monitor for really just not only flooding, but also hail, gusty winds as well. And then on Tuesday, you got it, another chance of showers and thunderstorms in the area. It's almost like a very tropical forecast. Rainfall totals, if you get under these heavy thunderstorms and if you get periodic storms one after another, you could clearly see some of the totals here over exceeding 2 to 3 inches of rain. It's a very soupy air mass. And the reason why we're seeing all this is a jet stream buckling up north, warm air and hot air down to the south, and we're just getting wave after wave of these thunderstorms because we're on the northern edge of that jet stream. Now, if you're done with the hot and humid weather, the Climate Prediction Center is showing a little bit of a cooler air mass moving in here by the next upcoming weekend. 68 for an overnight low temperature, showers and storms developing after midnight and carrying over into the morning hours tomorrow. And then we will have periodic showers and storms, some of which may be on the severe side. If we get some sunshine, 84. If we see more cloudiness, likely temperatures similar to what we saw for today. Thunderstorms continue all the way through the 4th of July. So Mother Nature and our homemade fireworks will be doing a lot of banging out there. And then afterwards, temperatures do cool off into the mid 70s for the weekend.
Boy, Thursday kind of looks pretty nasty. Worse than it did when you showed it yesterday.
Yeah, it's interesting.
We'll hope for the best. Thanks,
sure.
Gino.